How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. We're gonna have a quick look at SHPING, and as much as I love saying it, this thing is not moving in a nice way for me. So for the last 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, we've been knocking on the door to try and break above the 0.5 from the recent low to the recent high, and I think from this point we're going to have a tail off if we don't manage to break above the 0.5 where we are. And just to say, if we do break above where we are, we'll probably see a move up to 4.4, slight back test of the 0.5, and then we might see a nice little giga candle back up to the realms of where we've been previously, up at around 6 cents, which would be a nice 50% move. But again, that's going to be a red line. I don't see it playing out. What I can see playing out is that we lose the support and have a slow tail off back to around 3.5, possibly wick slightly lower before having a retest and then the move back higher. I'm going to mark that blue because it's a possibility, but what I do expect to play out is a slight tail off, lose support, and eventually tail back to the 786, possibly wick below before we have some continuation. That I'm going to mark green. I can't see SHPING moving anytime soon, following the level of resistance that we're seeing at the 0.5. And we've been here before. We have seen some bouncing around between the 0.5 and the 618, and that's normally where we'll have a launch from. But this thing's in a sell-off, and you'd expect it to be after a move. And we've seen the pattern time and time again where we've leveled up, small sell-off, broken through resistance, small sell-off, again. So this sell-off, if it was going to move again, it probably would have gone from this sort of zone, and it does. It just looks like we're breaking down, sadly. So I can't see us having a break in the short term, but again, I can't rule it out. It depends on what's happening with the volume. And let's just have a quick look at the volume. Where are we? We're down 27% on the day. So it fits. It makes sense. This one probably will tail off back to at least 3.5 cents, possibly even back down to sub 3 cents. So if you're looking for an entry point, I would say that anywhere between 3 and 3.5 cents would probably be a decent area to get back in. I can't see us coming back to. Let me just pull out to the daily. It's such a new utility. Do you know what? I can't even get a read on that. I'll take to the 4-hourly. I'd be surprised if we came back to 2 cents. So I'd say realistically 3 or 2.99 should be your low. Alright, not financial advice. This is one that I'm looking at. I'm not currently in, but I will be keeping an eye for any sudden breaks, because when this one goes, it goes well. And just to say, over the last, let's actually get this in first. So yeah, over the last essentially just over 2 days, we've had a near enough a 200% move. So really nice to see, but from that we are going to see a level of sell-off, which is what I think we're currently in. So 3 to 3.5 cents is on the table before we have another leg up. All right, best of luck, take care.